Sup, everybody. Super here to be here, and today I'm extremely excited because I just found out how to wear the new leaked Infinity Gauntlet. So, as you may know, let's see, hold on, let's go back. Code Pocket Ninja is the only person that I know of that's actually wearing the new Infinity Gauntlet, but I found out how to get it. So, what you have to do is you have to grab this folder and you have to put it up here. And then, oh no, hold on. You have to grab this folder. Yeah, look, this is what you have to do. Grab this folder, put it up here, and then bam, look. That's the code right there for the Infinity Gauntlet. So, that means that we can just go into game. You have to have admin to do this in a certain game, but you can just type this, at me the code, and it will give you the Infinity Gauntlet. It just worked. Hold on. Hat me or hat. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah. So that is how you get it. For some reason, it's extremely buggy. Like really freaking buggy. Like really very buggy. Roblox is still testing it, so it's obviously not gonna be the best. But yeah, this is how you get it. Like, I guess you could say you have the Infinity Gauntlet like this, but it's not really attached to your arm. So, I don't know how Code Pocket Ninja could be wearing it if it's not attached to your arm. Yeah, somehow Code Pocket Ninja is actually wearing the Infinity Gauntlet, which at this point in time it doesn't even exist. But if you follow these exact steps, hold on, let me just do this. You can do this with pretty much any single gear. You can just take this folder here, place it up there, and it will give you the code for the Infinity Gauntlet or any other gear that you're trying to get. Because as you can see down here, the events folder, there's no Avengers event yet, so I'm expecting them to do something with that. But yeah, and if you click on the Infinity Gauntlet, it doesn't even bring you to anything. It just brings you to the catalog. But that's how you can do it. So yeah, I didn't say I never said that it would be attached to your arm. All I said is that this is how to get it. So it's pretty cool. I'm hoping that they would fix. That they're gonna fix the Infinity Gauntlet. But after that, that's really cool. They added the Infinity Gauntlet into the game for a new Avengers event or something. But anyways, yeah, that's how you wear the Infinity Gauntlet in the game. Yeah, I look like a disaster. I seriously don't know why I equipped the skin. Hold on, let me just equip something else because this just looks very dumb. But we can beat Thanos and just pretty much have the Infinity Gauntlet. Okay, well, that's pretty buggy. I wonder if you could actually get that to work. Actually, let's see. Arms, right arms. Let's see if we can get that to work. But yeah, anyways, that is how you wear the Infinity Gauntlet. You just type in hat, or, oh, yep, there it is, like that, and you can just do hat me, this, phone number. You have to have a specific type of admin. Maybe with some sort of admin, it will actually work, because with this admin, with Cole's admin, it doesn't work. You can't get the Infinity Gauntlet, but with what was it called again? But with EISSS or whatever, you can get it. So it's pretty buggy. But if you manage to pull this off correctly, and if you have the correct amount of determination that you need, oh my god, my avatar looks like a complete mess. But yeah, this you can pull this off. And then later you can just troll your friends with the Infinity Gauntlet or something. So yeah, so I think there is an admin that might work with it, but I'm not too sure to be exact. In fact, another admin might work with it. Hold on, let me try. Let me just. Yeah, that's gonna need some help. That's gonna need some fixing. But actually, if we put it like this, if you just color your left arm yellow, it looks like I'm literally wearing the Infinity Gauntlet. Let's try this out. I am super excited. I don't know why I'm excited for something that doesn't even connect to your body yet. But yeah. So now I've worn the Infinity Gauntlet. Okay, almost like that or something. This. Alright, so let's go into Star Wars lightsaber in games, and then Star Wars. Where the heck is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, so go inside here. It might work with some admin. Like you have to try this. You have to really just try to get it working. Well, with enough determination, it can work. So let's try it with this admin. What's this called? Adonis. So I completely forgot how to use this admin. Like completely. Alright, it's a hat. So. Oh my god, no way! No way, it actually works! Like this, you can get the Infinity Gauntlets. No freaking way, dude. That is insane. Oh my god. Anyway, so that's how you get the Infinity Gauntlet. You have to have Adonis admin for it to work. So go on a game that supports Adonis admin, and you can literally just wear the Infinity Gauntlet. This looks so freaking cool. So yeah, I want to go troll with this. Be right back.